Welcome. Safety is our absolute first priority. Only together can we prevent unsafe situations. That's everyone's responsibility. Know your responsibilities and you'll always stay one step ahead of danger. Awareness of health and safety, the environment and well-being is not a 9-to-5 job. It has to be second nature. As well as the information that has already been harmonized, location and company-specific information also applies. Ask for it. Today, we'd like to draw your attention to personal protection equipment. It's obvious that you must use personal protection equipment for your own safety. There are different types of personal protection equipment for different situations, but some personal protection equipment you should always use. These are flame-retarding work clothes, anti-static work clothes, safety shoes, safety helmet, safety glasses, and always have safety gloves with you. In addition, supplementary personal protection equipment will be needed. This depends on the work. You can find these in the permit to work and task risk analysis or job safety analysis. Work clothes have specific qualities. They are flame retarding, anti-static, waterproof, vapor permeable, and they are meeting the standards concerning right size, labels and instructions for use. There are several locations where you should wear personal protection equipment. For example, at a drilling and workover location, at gas and oil treatment plants, at construction and abandonment locations, at repositories and workplaces, and at seismic survey locations. It's important that you know which personal protection equipment you should wear and when you should wear it. When performing executive proceedings and operational controls onshore, you should mostly wear workwear, for example an overall or otherwise protective clothing. When performing executive proceedings and operational controls offshore, you should always wear workwear. By this we mean an overall in striking colour or with reflecting stripes. When employees make an occasional working visit onshore, they should wear either workwear or company wear. When they make an occasional working visit offshore, they should wear workwear. By this we mean an overall in striking colour or with reflecting stripes. When third parties make an occasional visit onshore, the location manager decides what they should wear. When they make an occasional visit offshore, they should wear workwear. By this we mean an overall in striking colour or with reflecting stripes. In noisy areas or when doing work that produces a lot of noise, hearing protectors must be worn. From 80 decibels, your employer will supply you with hearing protectors. It's very important because hearing damage can't be cured. From 85 decibels, you are obliged by law to use hearing protectors. When milling, you must wear a full face mask and safety glasses. This provides you with a better protection from small particles being released. You must only wear clothing which has been approved. Please note that you should not wear short sleeves and short pants. Besides, clothing must be closed as much as possible. Workwear and company wear should be properly maintained, otherwise their use doesn't have the right effect. This means that we have dirty clothes washed, we have damaged clothes repaired, and we have seriously damaged or contaminated clothes disposed according to the regulations. Please note that when clothes are seriously damaged or contaminated, always report the sort of contamination in order to prevent contact with dangerous substances or further contamination. Recommended use of fire-resistant coverall. Synthetic base layer undergarments should not be worn. Outerwear such as jackets and coats should be fire-resistant. FRC should be buttoned up with sleeves rolled down and not tucked into boots. FRC may be laundered at home, but sites should provide laundry services to employees who wish to use it for soiled FRC. Bleach or fabric softener should not be used. If the supplier provides personal protection equipment, he gives information on the characteristics and use. He also controls whether the clothes and personal protection equipment are used properly. The supplier can take measures in case of wrong use. Contractors and subcontractors must always wear flame-retarding and anti-static workwear. Furthermore, they should always wear safety gloves, but also safety shoes, a safety helmet, and safety glasses. In addition, supplementary personal protection equipment will be needed for contractors and subcontractors. You can find these in the Permit to Work and Task Risk Analysis. The control for proper use of the personal protection equipment is the first responsibility of the employer. You often see what kind of work someone does by the clothes he wears. The clothes then symbolize the nature of the work. For example, working in the office, in warehouses or laboratories, working on the public road, on internal services like a courier, catering, security, emergency response office, and the fire department. For questions or further information, you can turn to your supervisor. And remember, work safely or do not work at all. Good luck!